In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to do a 2x2 Rubik's Cube stand with the Rubik's twist. Now the reason why I call it a 2x2 Rubik's Cube stand is because the 3x3 might be too heavy for the twist. So for that reason, I recommend that you use this stand for the 2x2 Rubik's Cube only. Now to start making the stand, you want to have the blue side of the Rubik's twist facing up and the white side facing down. And then you start counting blue triangles starting from here until you get to the fifth one. So once you locate the fifth one, the fifth blue triangle, you want to turn it downward. And then you want to notice five blue colors that are facing down. So then once you notice them, you want to grab this white triangle and turn it towards you. And then you do the same to the white side of the Rubik's twist. So you grab this blue triangle and you turn it towards you. So now we're going to start working with this side first, and then we'll do this side. So what we're going to do is grab this blue triangle and turn it like this. And we're going to do the same thing we do to make the foot of the rooster and the dog. So you grab this white triangle and you close it up like this. And then you want to grab this blue triangle right here. You turn it like that. So now what we're going to do is overlap this right here. So we're going to bring this white triangle down, and then we're going to bring this blue triangle up, and then you want to turn this that way. Grab this white triangle and turn it like that. So now what you want to do is match this blue color with this blue color right here. So we're gonna push this down so they match, and then we're gonna overlap this part with this right here. So you turn this 180 degrees and you close it up like that. So now we're gonna go to this side and we're gonna do the same thing we did in the beginning. We're going to make a foot starting with this white triangle right here. I'm gonna twist it, and then you're gonna twist this blue triangle right here, do that. So now what we're gonna do is go to the side of this. We're not gonna overlap the back, we're just gonna go to the side right here. So we're going to turn this white triangle that way, and then you want to grab this one and turn it like that. So now what you're gonna do is turn this blue triangle towards that way. So you make the same thing that's going on here. So now there you go. You have the 2x2 Rubik's Cube stand. So grab your 2x2. You can place it here. There you go. Thanks for watching. Peace.